What's going on, everybody? Everything Credit here. So as some of you may have seen, I done a little quick short video on YouTube last night. I'm now offering a factual dispute kit and a hard inquiry kit. Now, it took a long time for me to come out with this, but it is finally available. The regular price for the hard inquiry kit is $100. However, if you want to purchase it before January 1, $50 will get it. The factual dispute kit will be $500. This also includes the 3 secondary bureaus that you have to dispute with to get it removed. Gives you the address and everything. But if you would like to purchase that before January 1, it is $250. You can literally start your own credit repair business with these 2 items. So if anybody's interested, call, text, or email me. I'll leave my info in the description. I hope y'all have a great day.